TEM stock analysis and price predictions for 13th of August, Wednesday. Now, Tempus AI, I'll tell you one thing. I just seen a beautiful shift right here happening, and we broke structure above this top, which is what I wanted to see. And then not in my way, you know. Yeah, I was correct on the direction, if you don't like, you know what I mean? But it just kind of gapped up. And all I'm here to do is, since I've gotten this double break, I think this is like a prime time to wait for that correction to just double down buy more. Because it took away too much space, and there's not going to be enough risk to reward to take it further up. So I'm hoping I see like a lower time frame pull down. Guess what, man? If rules are not met, I'm just not going to force a trade, right? Like, I have a lot of receipts that I'm also, tickers that I'm following, but I'm not going to be taking just no random trade just because, you know, I feel like it. Or maybe you're experiencing FOMO. Well, chill out. There's always going to be an opportunity in the market. No need to rush. If you want daily stock picks, emails, and insights to make more, click the first link in the description. It's free, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.